Stories in politics, the Kenyan opposition maintains that the commissioners of the electoral body, the IEBC, must be sent home. Court says Parliament should find a negotiated settlement for the commissioners to vacate office and have a new team reconstituted to conduct the August 2017 general election. ATN's Patrick Amimo has been following this for us and covered it at the Joint Parliamentary Select Committee and Parliament today.
Of court today that
when the opposition appeared before the Parliamentary Joint Select Committee on Electoral Reforms, it insisted the IEBC commissioners should vacate office. CORD claims the commissioners have failed to inspire public trust and confidence in conducting a credible and transparent general election.
You know that it is time to leave when consistently issues of transparency and accountability continue to dog you as a commission less than 2 years to the elections. You know that it is time to leave when you have cases hanging over your head relating to procurement before the board, before jurisdictions out of this country.
What is our litmus test of knowing that Kenyans have lost confidence in the IEBC? Because we have over 40 million Kenyans, the people who have expressed themselves about IEBC, I don't think they are even 1 million. I've perused the document you've given to us. There are 9 commissioners. You know, there are quite a number of commissioners who are not mentioned in your document. Should they also go, or they should stay?
As we wish them to leave, how do we ensure that they can stand up and say, I wish to resign? Because if we go the other route, definitely one will go to court. It means we'll have a very long battle to ensure they leave.
We are not seeking to establish criminal or civil liability on any person. Neither are we seeking to regurgitate any electoral disputes that we have or have had in the past and present. We view ourselves as coming to present before this committee materials that will convince you that the IEBC has performed so badly that you would not want to entrust them to run another election in Kenya.
It is our view that IEBC has no business getting into the issues of political parties nominating their candidates. Secondly, the issue of disputes arising out of nomination of candidates or internal management of parties, again, that should be outside the province of IEBC.
Our position is that the next elections as set out under the Constitution should remain on the 8th of August 2017.
The National Cohesion and Integration Commission says electoral commissioners have faced controversy every election year since the reintroduction of multi-partyism in 1992, and the current standoff is not new.
We recommend that there should never be a vacuum in the electoral process. If we wish, for example, to negotiate the exit of the current commissioner, because I agree, of course, when people have raised so many issues about an organization, the confidence is gone. And
the ruling Jubilee requested to present its submissions Friday. The Director of Public Prosecutions, together with the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, will have a date with the Joint Select Committee Friday. On Monday, IEBC commissioners are expected to appear before the team to defend themselves against credibility issues. Patrick Amimo, KTN News.